The 2023 Toyota GR Supra will be turning heads at every turn with its striking exterior. With available exterior features like 19-inch forged aluminum wheels, dynamic rear LED taillights, and LED headlights. You can also look forward to 7 eye-catching exterior colors, like Nitro Yellow, Stratosphere, and Renaissance Red 2.0. Inspired by the 4th-generation Supra, the front fascia of the 2023 Toyota GR Supra is even more expressive with a prominent central grille section flanked by large air intakes. Engineered for both the track and the street, a double bubble roof design reduces aerodynamic drag without compromising headroom. A prominent, arching rear integrated spoiler helps to suppress aerodynamic lift at the rear while paying homage to the 4th-gen Supra Turbo. 6-lens LED headlights integrate both daytime running lamps and turn signal functions to create a distinctive lighting signature. A sports car should be captivating, with a design that feels as alluring as it is powerful. We made no compromises with 2023 Toyota GR Supra's design. Each and every aspect is defined by its contribution to overall driving performance. Its silhouette stirs all the right emotions, with generous curves and daring shapes that excite the senses. Discover a perfect balance of function and premium comfort and convenience features inside the 2023 Toyota GR Supra. Keyless smart entry, dual automatic climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirrors, rear camera, rain sensor windshield wipers, garage door opener, power folding mirrors, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel are examples of standard amenities. A low, narrow section dash layout gives the driver expansive forward visibility. Essential for performance driving, the tachometer and shift timing indicator enable the driver to easily focus on vital control information. An available full-color head-up display projects navigation and drive data directly onto the windshield, helping to keep your eyes focused on the road ahead. A lightweight composite hatch gives you seamless access to the smartly trimmed luggage area of the 2023 Toyota GR Supra. The 2023 Toyota GR Supra's doors are a little shorter than average and fairly light. Even if you're of average height, you may need to watch your head, but at least the seat bolsters don't impede access. In general, spaciousness is not this car's greatest strength. The Porsche Cayman and BMW M2, for example, do a better job of making a cockpit feel roomy. The navigation system is pretty good at understanding natural language commands, and it locates specific points of interest without an address. It's easy to use the voice commands to set up your route. Our test Supra had the 12-speaker premium audio system. The audio quality is fine, but it lacks the fullness we'd expect for an upgrade system. As for integration, there's one USB port, an optional wireless charger and wireless Apple CarPlay. Android Auto is now offered. Adaptive cruise control is optional, and it works effectively. It's more aggressive than most systems and can keep a small gap between you and the car ahead if you want it to. It also works all the way down to a stop. Lane keeping assistance isn't quite as effective. It'll mitigate lane crossing but doesn't really keep you centered. The 2023 Toyota GR Supra has two powertrain choices. The first is a 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine that generates 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. A 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, IMT, intensifies the connection between you and the car to optimize the revs as you shift. The A91-MT edition pushes out 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque ratings that come with the 3.0L four-cylinder engine. Moreover, the car's accurate, nicely weighted, and direct steering helps to enhance its fun-to-drive personality. Also, its available adaptive variable suspension, ABS, allows you to transform from a comfortable cruiser to a track bruiser and back again in a split second. Furthermore, the 2023 Toyota GR Supra A91-MT can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, 3.9 seconds with an automatic transmission, and pull off impressive burnouts. The 2023 Toyota GR Supra 3.0 delivers a stout 382 horsepower and 367 pound-feet of torque from its 3.0-liter straight six. Buyers can now choose between an 8-speed automatic transmission and a new for 2023 6-speed manual on the 3.0, 3.0 Premium, and A91-MT trims. When paired with the automatic, the 6-cylinder Supra zips to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds, according to our testing. We can't wait to see how the manual performs. 2023 Toyota GR Supra with the manual transmission receive a specially tuned traction control system to avoid slip in first gear in icy conditions. These Supras also get their own suspension tune to make sliding more enjoyable in the twisties. A new Hairpin Plus function allows for more freewheel spin, while taking tight corners on an uphill gradient of more than 5%. Meanwhile, an anti-roll system helps prevent snap oversteer.